Traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, September 23rd, and I'm going to be analyzing the Euro Yen, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on the Euro Yen, I think this is the end of a wave 3, and if it is the end of a wave 3, I believe that we are now in a corrective wave 4, which I think will likely make some sort of a three-way pattern to one of these two Fibonacci levels before we go up again to make a wave 5. So let's take it down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, I still think this first post out is a wave A. I think this is now very likely to go up to make a correction to that wave A for a wave B. Then probably back down for the wave C. This should all be an ABC of 4. So taking it down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, I think the wave A actually ends right there with that spike. I think this is the A of B, this is a B of B, and I think this is now in a wave C of wave B, which a wave B should be a correction to the whole wave A. So I would expect it to go up to one of these higher Fibonacci extension levels to complete this wave C of wave B. So taking it down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, very strong push down today because of the PMI news that we had. No breaker structure to the downside yet, so as long as it doesn't break structure, I'm definitely still looking for longs. It is a very strong move down, so I probably wouldn't try to go long right this minute, but maybe later on in the week should create a really nice long opportunity as long as it doesn't break structure to the downside. So taking it down to the 1 hour time frame is where I got my Fibonacci retracement on the last impulse to move up. As long as it doesn't go down and break this 100% level right here, I'm definitely still looking for longs. I mean, this definitely could be a correction. I mean, it technically could be a wave A right here. I mean, this to me does look like a possible 3 waves up for wave B. This big push down we got could be a wave C. So if you see like something like this preferably, or if you see something like this with a nice higher low, I definitely would take it as a long opportunity. The trend is definitely still up on all the higher time frames, and the trend is your friend. If it breaks to the downside, I'll be more than happy to start looking for longs, but until then, definitely looking for if it breaks to the downside, I'd be more than happy to look for shorts. But until then, I'm only looking for longs, and I'm only looking to go long at the end of pullbacks. So don't forget to join my free Discord group, which is linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.